Welcome guys to another video. Today we're playing a prison game on Roblox. You need to escape this evil prison cell. So let's see how many minutes it will take me. I already have beaten it, but I'm doing it for a video. I'm doing a speed run. So how much time will it take me? Okay. It's a speed run, remember. Okay. It's been only 40 seconds, and I'm already on stage something. Opening it, shovel, and dig. By the way, I'm thinking next to do a Minecraft video. Stick to give you more info for the next video. I don't know what. I'm just saying random things because my brain is breaking right now. 2 minutes in the speed run. Okay. I hope it doesn't take a lot of time. Here. I found a new strat because the new update is just too OP. Here the guard is easier to avoid because he walks. And the chef, when you shoot with a laser, it's way easier because the fruit launcher it does more damage and it shoots faster. And I'm still going. By the way, the new hatch event on Roblox just went out. I got some few eggs before. I got this egg on this game. I got the egg. It was right there if you wanna get it. I'm going. Did you guys watch the video that I made when I beat Cataclysm? That was that took me like so many attempts. Why are extreme demons so hard? Okay, 3 minutes in. Okay, I'm going fast. Okay, still going. Did I die one time? Wait, like I would like to stream today, but I don't have enough time. If you if you want to shout out my on be a whole tell you in the comments. Tell in the comments if you want a shout out on your channel. Do I have a big shout out? No, but it will help. Make sure to like and subscribe. Eh, by the way, like everybody, 93% of the people are not subscribed. So subscribe to do that at 0%, like that. All the YouTubers do that. 5 minutes in the video, and I'm already pretty far. Okay. Could I get on the leaderboard for the most time played, for the fastest speedrun? Because it's pretty fast. Yep. I'm already at the chef. So the the strat is you get the Fujuka and you leave. You just spam it. You don't stop, and you are done. I don't need the cash. I need to speedrun. Okay. I'm doing pretty good. Ooh. Yep. Run, run, run. 6 minutes. I'm already close to the end. Up. This is the boss. Well, they made this game so easier because the boss is so easy to beat, and like 1 year ago it was hard. The last time I played this game on my main. Yeah, because I lost my account on October. Someone hacked it. Okay. Go here. Get this. Go up again. And you get another one. And you pass. And here's the boss. Okay, let me break his first arm. Yeah, look how easy the boss is, bro. I already beat him. And I'm leaving. Bye, Lozo. I'm living forever. Bro, this is so good. This speedrun is so good. What? How did I die? How did I die? Actually, I did. Okay, now I got it. Yeah, when I died, this is not the fastest you can, but it's my world record speedrun, so that's okay. How much? 8 minutes and 15 seconds. If you guys want to beat it, show me a clip. You have to beat my record. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Let me see the leaderboard because I haven't. Where is the leaderboard? Oh, it's not here on the rocket. But okay. Bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you at the next video.